Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. A perfect way to make everyone, especially the kids, happy in the morning is to make them some chocolate pancakes. They are light, fluffy, and incredibly easy to make. To make these delicious pancakes, you need just a handful of ingredients. Let's get started. In a large-sized bowl, whisk together 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can use a mixer or a wire whisk. Then add 200 milliliters of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Beat until smooth, but don't overmix. The consistency should be like this. It should not be runny or watery. If it's too runny, you can take a sifter and add a tablespoon of flour at a time to thicken. If you find the batter too thick, fold a tablespoon of extra milk at a time until reaching desired consistency. Heat a non-stick frying pan over a medium heat. For each pancake, gently pour 1 tablespoon of the batter onto the hot pan. If you want, you can wipe over with a little butter to lightly grease the pan before pouring the batter. Cook until the bubbles form on the surface and a few have burst. Then flip the pancake carefully and cook 2 minutes more. The pan needs to be hot, but don't set the temperature too high because it will burn the bottoms while the inside remains raw and doughy. For a well-cooked pancake, keep the heat set to medium. Once both sides are cooked, transfer to a serving plate and continue with remaining batter. When the pancakes are ready, pour the chocolate ganache on top. To make the ganache, heat 200 milliliters of heavy cream without letting it boil and mix with 180 grams of chocolate until perfectly smooth. Garnish with powdered pistachio like I do, or of course with fruits you like. Hope you enjoy! If you like this video and you wanna see more videos, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out our very popular, super duper easy and delicious pancake recipe. Thanks for watching!